presenting noise halo plus 1.46-inch Super AMOLED display ALED smartwatch. It is available in the colors black, ALED blue, and ALED silver. Enjoy clear and immersive visuals on its 1.46-inch, 3.7 cm round AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and always-on functionality. It features 1.46 inches screen size. Enjoy up to 7 days of battery life and up to 2 days with calling activated. This smartwatch can work on Android and iOS. It has pursue an active lifestyle with the Noise Health Suite. Make the most of over 100 cloud-based watch faces and explore various productivity tools including reminders, weather updates, a calculator, quick replies, an alarm, a timer, a stopwatch, and a world clock.